Hello friends. Today we see how to read any CSV file and store CSV file data in database. We do this task in Python and using Postgres database to store data. For this task we follow 5 steps. First, creating table by using create table data query. Second, in Python code we write process in this way. First, read the CSV file. Second, establishing connection with the Postgres database. Third, creating dataset and executing insert query. And finally we close the database connection. Now let's see how to do these things. So friends, this is the code already I written, and this is the query which I use to create this database table. So first I come to Postgres database, and here I create one database. Database name is Postgres 1 and create. Look, this Postgres 1 table is created. Now I use my query to create one table. So go to query tool. I copy this query and paste here. Then execute this query. I refresh this table. Look, my query, by using this query, my table is created. Look, my table is created. Currently this table is blank. Okay, if I go to view and see all the data, then look, this is showing 0 rows. Okay, now I come to my code section. Look, this is my code section which already written. First I explained this is the imports which prerequisite for this code, and now here from here we follow the steps to insert this data. Okay, I use one how copy CSV file which is stored in this location. Okay, go to store in this location. Second, I create one connection with database. This is the code where I establish connection. If connection is successful, then we execute one select query and version which showing us the database version. And then if my connection is successfully established, then I use this file to execute one by one insert query by reading this data and insert in database. And after committing all the execute query, finally I use this command to close the connection which I created at the time of establishing connection with database. Okay friends, now we see how this code is running. Look, this is the how copy CSV file to whose I read, and this is stored in my location which I mention in my code. Okay, and this is the code which I want to execute. Now I am using Ubuntu system, so in Ubuntu how I execute Python, right click, open terminal. By using this process, I am not write to cd and path to reach the file path. Okay, so it directly open in that path. Now I write here python 3 space run.py. Okay, enter. Look, it's showing that connection established, and now cursor is blink because in backend some task is happened. We wait till the process is complete. Now look, process is complete, and if we now come to database and check, look, 53 to 89 rows affected. That means in this time frame we inserted 53,289 records in table. So this is the process, guys, how to read any CSV file and store their data in database. Thank you. We will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.